Manage admin roles, permissions, and organizational access securely. User access management begins in the administration module, the central control point for security and permissions. The administrator's registry displays the hierarchy of privileged accounts across the organization. Selecting a record loads the administrator profile for security configuration. Access scope is defined to control authority levels and permitted functional areas. An organizational assignment is applied to ensure operations remain within approved boundaries. Employee linkage and activation status are confirmed to validate the account. The update is committed, enforcing the revised role constraints immediately. The centralized directory refreshes to reflect current system-level access assignments. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.